splendid day, and Nick has just finished his inspection duties for the day. He was just getting ready for a rest when Mr. Jones arrived. Hello, Nick. I need you to do a favour for me.
What is it, sir?
It's a surprise for Thompson. Nick and Mr. Jones arrived at the yard, but Nick couldn't see the surprise anywhere.
Sir, where's this surprise of Thompson?
It's right over there. As the workman pulled off the tarpaulin, it revealed a black little tank engine with the number 8 on his cap. Here is the surprise. This is Robert, my third tank engine. It's good to have you back on my railway.
Oh, it's good to be back, sir.
Excellent. Nick will be taking you to the works for a few tests, and we'll be meeting Thompson there too, who is nearly finished being repaired.
Brilliant! I can't wait to see my old friend. Oh, I've got so much to catch up on.
Thompson was having his final checkup when Mr. Jones arrived. Cheer up, Thompson. I have a surprise for you. For me, sir. What is it, sir? Wait and see. Robert was the surprise. Oh, Robert, it's good to see you again after all these years. Mr. Jones told the two of them that they can go and play on the branch for a few days to talk about their old days. Meanwhile, Peter was in a bad temper. It's not fair.
What is?
Thompson gets a holiday and then goes off to run on his branch, leaving me to do all of his work.
Well, come to think of it, he hasn't been on his branch line for a while now. Not since the triple header incident that happened a week ago. Well, I'm off now. I'll see you later, Peter.
Later that evening, the other engines greeted Robert. He mostly talked to Ferret, Emma, Herbert and Thompson.
So I'm guessing you've met him before?
Of course! Even before Peter joined the railway.
Very interesting.
Robert, I have a question. What type of class locomotive are you?
I am a J94-0, an experimental engine based on the J94. The only difference is that we're smaller and a bit faster than our counterparts. Yeah, that's right, yeah.
How why does he take over Graham's express duties?
Oi! I've heard that.
They all laughed until one by one they all went to sleep. The next day, Peter and Robert were working with Nick, cleaning the line from overgrown trees and bushes.
What a lovely day. Do you smell that, Sebastian?
The only thing I smell is stale SpongeBob memes and need to go die in a hole.
No, it's a smell of the nice sea breeze whooshing through the forest.
Peter, Robert, I want you to take these tracks back up the line, up to the top station, please. Thank you. Cost tutti poo smash.
The two tank engines puffed slowly away with the long line of trucks. They made their way to the slope on the line. As they tackled the slope, the trucks started to hold the two tank engines back. The trucks held the train back, but it was no use. Peter and Robert had to bring the train back to the bottom of the slide.
You foolish engine!
It's not my fault.
Yes, it is! You do nothing but keep holding me back!
Peter sadly made his way to the quarry at the end of Thompson's branch line. He shunted the empty trucks to be loaded with rocks. He was going to take them on his own. The trucks saw this as a chance to do some mischief. As the dust settled, Peter found himself on his side. Soon Nick and Robert arrived with the crane to put Peter back on the rails. Robert knew he was to blame for this.
Oh, Peter, I'm sorry that this happened to you today.
Oh, that's alright. A fine piece of work, you two. And seeing the hard work you've done, would the two of you like to help out on Thompson's branch line? Oh, yes, sir.
Ooh, thank you, sir.
The two engines now work as hard as they can on Thompson's branch line. Because of their hard work, the three tankagers were now awarded a shed to sleep on Thompson's branch line.
I'm gay.